in this video we will see how to fix error code 624. The application failed to initialize because the Windows station is shutting down on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose run. Clean boot your system. In run dialog box, type the command msconfig and click on OK. This command will open system configuration windows. Here from the top menu bar, go to the option services and make the check against hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left corner and click on disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter, again go to top menu bar and choose the option startup. And click on the link, open Task Manager. Task Manager window will now open. Here all your startup apps available. Here look for any startup apps enabled in your system. So look for enabled startup apps in your system, scroll down, and if any startup apps enabled you found, then simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all your enabled startup apps. Manually disable all your startup apps through Task Manager. Apply this process for all your enabled startup app. Thereafter close the windows and click on apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. In control panel, scroll down and here look for the option power options. Click on power options. Here from the left side option, click on choose what the power button do. Here under shutdown settings, turn on fast startup. Disable this feature. To disable this feature, click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on it. Now uncheck the option turn on fast startup and click on save changes. After turning off fast startup, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next workaround is open settings. Right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, click on privacy and security. Choose Windows security. Open virus and threat protection. A new Windows security page will open. Here click on the link scan options. And here you will find quick action and full scan. Quick scan checks folders in your system where threats are commonly found, and full scan, this scan could take longer than 1 hour. So choose one of them, either quick scan or full scan. And click on scan now and let the window complete the scanning process. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel. Here go to programs and features. And here find out any recently installed apps and features or config or any problematic apps. If you found, then simply select it and choose uninstall and reinstall a fresh version of